Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make two nutritious recipe of ladyfinger. First I'll make steamed ladyfinger recipe. For making steamed ladyfinger recipe, I took 200 grams ladyfinger. Wash the ladyfinger properly. First we have to steam the ladyfinger. So I'll put the ladyfinger into the pot of steamed rice. When the steamed rice is 90% cooked, add the ladyfinger. Don't cut off the tip and bottom of ladyfingers. Cover for minimum 5 minutes. When the steamed rice is completely cool, then remove the lid. Take out the ladyfingers with a spoon. Don't wash the ladyfingers to clean the rice. Just using your hand, clean the ladyfingers and then chop into big pieces. Now prepare an onion and 2 green chilli, chop them. Also I took handful of fenugreek leaves. Adding some fenugreek leaves enhance freshness. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add the fenugreek leaves. Over medium to high heat, fry the fenugreek leaves, quick stir and cook for 2 minutes. You can replace the fenugreek leaves with kasuri methi. Now add the chopped green chilli, saute for few seconds. Add the chopped onion. Mix well, cook until onion is soft. Don't make the onion brown. Now add the steamed ladyfinger. Now add a teaspoon salt according to your taste. Using a potato masher, mash the ladyfinger. This step is very important. This is a Bengali style steamed ladyfinger recipe. You can add a teaspoon oil on the top. Serve this steamed ladyfinger with steamed rice. Second ladyfinger recipe is fried ladyfinger with roasted masala. For making fried ladyfinger recipe, I took 250 grams ladyfinger, wash them under the tap and put on a cloth. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 4 teaspoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon cumin seed. Chop an onion finely. Add the onion. Stir evenly and cook until onion is soft. Now prepare some ladyfinger. Cut off the bottom and tip of the ladyfinger and then chop the ladyfinger into small thin pieces. Don't make it thick. Cut them all and set aside. Put the chopped ladyfinger. Stir evenly. Cook the ladyfinger over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Prepare a tomato. Chop them into thin pieces. Add the chopped tomato. Add a chopped green chilli. Now I will prepare a roasted masala. For making roasted masala, I took a teaspoon coriander seed, half a teaspoon cumin seed, a dried red chilli and 9 to 10 peppercorn. Roast them until it's fragrant. Shake the tawa properly and stir evenly to roast the masala well. Let it cool and then grind into smooth powder. Add a teaspoon roasted masala. Sprinkle it over the vegetable and then cover with a lid for 2 minutes. Reduce the heat. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Mix well, stirring continuously. Our fried ladyfinger recipe is ready for serving. Serve this yummy nutritious ladyfinger recipe with bhakri, roti or chapati. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.